Wake up to the gentle caress of sunshine and start your day with warmth and optimism. Introducing the Mont, an opulent student residence in Austin that offers spacious studio and 1 and 2 bedroom apartments. Comfortable, fully furnished rooms are available, and an equipped kitchen allows you to prepare your favorite meals. Relax in the game room with your friends or in the lush green gardens and enjoy beautiful Texas views from your large balcony. The property has an open yoga studio, a swimming pool, and a gym for fitness enthusiasts. Talking about the location, the property is situated near the University of Texas and St. Edward's University. Additionally, the property is surrounded by cafes, restaurants, and bars, which will make your weekdays feel like weekends. Enjoy a delicious waffle at Waffle House or stop by Starbucks for a frothy cappuccino. Getting around town is hassle-free with the Austin TX train station that is just 16 minutes away, and the Mabel Davis Park bus stop just 10 minutes away. Does this tick all your boxes? Then book your stay from amberstudent.com at the Mont in downtown Austin, where elegance and convenience meet to facilitate an ultimate student experience.